Supplemental list, item number 1.
Item 1, I may be permitted, my lords. My lords, your lordship, kindly see the noting. Flag H is the letter received from the concerned jail authority about the premature release of the appellant number 1, Sunadhar Kusparia, who has served more than 14 years of custody, my lords. Earlier application was rejected way back in 2000.
So, why you have filed an application for appellant number 1? He has been released prematurely. He was subsequently released. So, obviously, that IA becomes infructuous.
For appellant 1, my lords.
Take down IA number 301 of 2022. There is an application for appellant number 1. Mr. Raul, Land Council for the appellant, drew our attention to the premature release of the appellant letter relating letter dated so and so of so and so at flag A, which indicates that the appellant number 1 has been released from jail custody on 25/5/2023. Unexpired portion of the sentence have been remitted by the special order as per so and so of the Government of Odisha Law Department. In view of such law, it doesn't want to face this again. Yes, what about the appellant number 2?
Appellant number 2, my lords, I have filed IN number 105/2019, my lords. That is flag F, my lords. Flag F, I am also filing a dead chart. My associate is present there. He will submit a small dead chart, my lords, which shows that he has been custody more than 13 years, my lords.
13 years.
13 years, my lords. He was on bail during trial. After 6 months, judgment was passed, and as UTP he has remained 6 years, and after conviction he has served 12 years and some months. My lords,
Whether your bail application of this appellant number 2 has been earlier rejected on merit?
yes, on merit, my lords. Both application of both 1 and 2 was rejected, my lords. That is
Miscase 2015.
Miscase number 1293 of 2024, order dated 23/2/2014.
And
my lords.
Paper book has not been prepared as yet.
My lords.
The trial court record is there. So,
after judgment, lords, you kindly see that dead chart I have given all the details, my lords. After judgment, he has served 12 years and 5 months. And prior to that, as UTP, he served 6 months. So that comes total of 13 years, my lords.
Your date of arrest is 25/2010.
My lords.
You were released on bail on 25/11/2010. Column number 13 and 14.
My lords.
You have stated. Then again, the conviction was on what date?
27/2/2022. 2012, sorry, 2012. 27/2/2012.
You have remained in custody.
For a period of 13 years, my lords. After sentence, 12 years, 6 months, and as a UTP.
Okay, and it's you and co-accused persons have assaulted the husband of the informant by lathi, right?
Yes, lordship.
Are the Land Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state. This is IA number 105 of 2019 for appellant number 2, Bhuvan Kushparia. the land counsel for the petitioner submitted in judicial custody since 20 it was taken into judicial custody on 25/2010. And during pendency of the trial, he was directed to be released on bail uh, on as per the order of this court uh, dated 25/10/2010, passed in BLAPL number 11 25/11/2010. Sir. As per the order passed by this court in BLAPL number 1. Council further submits that after the pronouncement of the judgment on 27 February 2012 by the London Trial Court, he has never been released on bail, and therefore his period of detention as on date is more than 12 years.
13 years. 13 years.
And paperwork has not been prepared, and therefore there is no chance of early hearing the appeal in the near future. And therefore the bail application was considered. Land Council for the state opposed the prayer for bail and submitted that the earlier bail application of the petitioner was rejected on merit. Yes. On what date, Mr.
That date, my lords, is 23/2/2014.
Acha. 22/2015 in this case.
14. 2014.
2015 in this case number 1293 of 2014. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody and absence of any early hearing, we are inclined to release the appellant number 2, Bhuvan Pushparia, on bail subject to condition that while on bail he shall not indulge any criminal activities and violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Yes, that's it.
Deeply obliged, my lords.
Item 2.
Any of the delivered Mr. Dilip is absent, he has gone to his place to attend the Saha committee. That is matter relates to dismissal of contempt petition. Dismissed on 5/11/2015.
It's all right. That's this contempt petition. Now it has been held to be maintainable. That is as per the contempt petition was dismissed. All right. Prior to that, it was held to be okay. Mr. Das, this contempt petition has been filed for non-compliance of order dated 26/2013 in WPC number 10953 of 2012. So whether it is still as in such position or it has been complied with. If it has been complied with, then entire exercise will, why unnecessarily notice will be issued. That have you got the copy of that order? No. You see, it's a read petition that you have. Read order title. You get the copy of the order which has been passed in the writ petition, which is stated to have been the direction WPC number 10953. Considering so and so, we direct the opposite party number 1 to take a decision with regard to the approval of the service of the petitioner as recommended so and so within 2 months. Whether they have taken a decision, might have rejected the prayer or whatever. So have you got the copy of the writ petition with
No,
you?
madam.
All right, you all those things in a pen drive. The writ petition copy, the entire order sheet copy, and also take the contempt petition. so that you are will know that for what relief, seeking what relief he has filed that contempt petition. So once you know it, you can just make a communication with the authority and ascertain if that order has been complied with, then the entire thing would go. All right. The Mr. Sahoo Hon'Ble, learned additional government advocate, submits that he may be permitted the copy of the writ petition along with the order dated 2013, passed by the division bench of this court, for non-compliance of which the contempt petition by CONTC 168 of 2014 has been filed, and he may be also permitted to take the copy of the contempt petition, that is so and so. Permission is in the contempt petition copy, writ petition copy, that particular order, and do the needful. We are taking up this matter away from the so
They don't take instruction or something.
that will be gathered.
Sir, sir. Sir, sure. Sir, 27 तारीख को करो?
27th, put up this matter on 27th August 2020.
27.